Moi kaikille! Tänään opimme verbityyppi 1 or verb type 1. As you know, there are 6 verb types. Among them, verb type 1 is the commonest verb type. In this verb type, basic form or perusmuoto ends in 2 vowels and the last vowel must be a or a. Here are some examples. Kysyä, to ask, antaa, to give, tietää, to know, lukea, to read, puhua, to speak, ottaa, to take. Now, let's look at conjugation or taivutus. What does it mean? We can't make sentences straight away from perusmuoto or basic form. So, we have to change the perusmuoto or basic form to verb. So, we have to change the perusmuoto as stem or vartalo. The vartalo is the very important part to make sentences. So, let's see how we can make vartalo from the basic form. For example, we take puhua, to speak. So, the next step is we have to remove the last vowel. Here, the vowel is a. So, puhua, we remove the last letter, then it comes as vartalo, puhu. Then we have to add personal endings to the vartalo or the stem. So as you know, there are personal endings for mina, sina, han, me, te, he. If you don't know these personal endings, watch my previous video and come back to this video. But as a summary, I put mina and sina, te, han, vowel, me, am, e, te, e, he, ve, a, te, or ve, a, te. So here to the vartalo, puhu, we add the personal ending for mina, an. Mina, puhun, sina, puhut, han, puhu, me, puhumme, te, puhutte, he, puhuvat. Let's look at the KPT gradation or kopete vaihtelu and how it affects the verb type 1. As you know, there are 2 gradations. One is strong grade or vahva, weak grade or heikko. The perusmuoto, han form and the he form. These 3 forms are strong. Other forms, mina, sina, me, te, are weak forms. Let's take these 2 examples. Nukkua, to sleep. Tietää, to know. Nukkua and tietää both are perusmuoto. And if we add the mina form to nukkua, it becomes a weak form. You can see there are 2 K's in nukkua, but mina nukun. So 1 K is missing here. So 2 K become 1 K. So that is a weak form. Same for sina. Sina nukut. But you can see here in the red color, I marked these strong forms in red color so that you can easily differentiate the strong forms and the weak forms. Han nuku me nuku me te nuku te he nukkuvat. Let's look at the second example. Tietää, that is a strong form. Then minä tiedän. Te or T changes into de or D. Tietää changes into tiedän. Minä tiedän. Sinä tiedät. Hän tietää. It is a strong form. Me tiedämme. Weak form. Te tiedätte. Weak form. Again, he tietävät. It is a strong form. Now you know the difference between the weak forms and the strong forms. Also, we should learn about the negative sentences. Let's look at the same example. Puhua. So here, puhu is the vartalo or stem of the verb. To the positive sentence, we add the personal ending at the end of the vartalo or the stem. So, puhu, and then we add the n to the ending. It becomes puhun. Minä puhun. But here you can see we should add the personal endings before vartalo or the stem. Here the negative personal endings are for minä, en, sinä, et, hän, ei, me, emme, te, ette, he, eivät. Minä en puhu Kiina. I don't speak Chinese. Same for sinä et puhu, hän ei puhu, me emme puhu, te ette puhu, he eivät puhu. In the next video, we will learn about the verb type 2.